In this video, I'm going to show you how to test checkout on Shopify. Head to your Shopify admin from the settings right here. Click on payment providers. So payments. And then the payment providers right here. After that, from the Shopify payment section, click manage. And then basically, one thing before I continue is that I would like to note that you can't fulfill any test orders because you will be charged for any shipping labels that you purchase. If you use an app that automatically fulfill orders, then deactivate it before you create the test orders. So let's go choose a provider. Let's hit test. And as you can see, for testing, click on it and then activate for testing. You see, this is our activate testing right here. Now let's go to our store. For example, let's choose a product. Sorry for that, guys. After that, click buy now. And then if you have everything correctly set up, you'll be able to prompt with the settings. But before you leave the video, I'm going to tell you one more thing, is that if you are testing the order, you'll need to use these numbers, which you're going to see on the screen right now in a little bit. As you can see, I'll upload the screenshot right here in a second. So for Visa, you're going to use 424242 repeated 16 times. For MasterCard, right here, as you can see. So for Visa, 424242, MasterCard, here are the numbers, American Express. So whatever you would like to test, you'll be able to view it like this. That's basically it, you guys. You can see if I click on a buy it now, it makes something wrong. There's just not something not set up correctly in my store. If I click checkout right here, as you can see, checkout isn't available. And since I'm not having the plan active, this is what appears. That's basically it, guys. Hope you understood everything, and goodbye.